You missed the best levels. That's one way to put it. Today has been a bit of a struggle bus. I would not say a bit of a struggle bus. See, I took the struggle rocket ship straight to Struggle Central today. Windy War. Is there actual... I mean, because there... Okay, I died. There is actual wind physics in one of the original levels, so we're gonna actually have wind physics in this one? Or is it just the cool-looking background and foreground? Sir? Clocked you speeding. Sir, do you know how fast you were fluttering? Excuse me, I'm a flitter, not a flutter. Well, you know how fast you were flitting, then. Too fast? Exactly. Your punishment is death by monkey. Well, that's a cute... emote? I was gonna say emoji. I'm like, that's not the right word. I know it's not the right word. But what word am I looking for? There we go. Up we go. Right or left? Kind of looks like we're supposed to go that way. So what's this way? Smells like bonus to me. It doesn't look like bonus to me, though. Bonus? Bonus? Anything? Nothing. No bonus, no DK coin. Can I hit you from below? I can. Yeah. Whew. I don't know if I can throw fast enough. I don't have to try. Ah! Hey. So far, so good. Ah, cool that they're using the boss stuff right there. Just have a little bit of nest with eggs there. You know what? You. What the? Zinger out of nowhere. It descends from the heavens to hit monkeys who travel too close to the sun. Where am I? What? Why am I falling? What's going on? Oh, that's kind of clever. So it makes it look like it's just going behind this thing, but it really is the edge of the rope. That's both, like, I mean, it got me, so it's like an annoying troll, but it's a funny troll. I like it. But, like, it's cool design because it's like, oh, hey, like, it's just going behind the thing, but it does knock you down if you're not paying attention. Like, see, that's good difficulty because it's clever. Like, yes, did it get me? Multiple times. But am I mad about it? No, because it's good design and it's funny. And that's the difference between spamming you with 1,000 dudes and like tricking you because your eye just fills in like, oh yeah, the rope keeps going right behind there, even though it doesn't. Why do I always forget about that guy? I've been killed by that guy like 3 times. I don't know why I can't remember like the second enemy of the stage, but... So how's that lie? You're like, if you had one shot to try and get a new personal best, would you take it or throw it all away? Like, I'd throw it all away! Woo! No. I mean, I'll probably end up dying anyways, but... Bam! Bam! We're gonna take as many of these enemies down with us as we can on this sinking windy ship. I'll kill you. And I'll kill a little bit of you. Sir, I have to kill you. So I did. This guy with a cannon? Oh, I'm gonna kill him. Another guy with a cannon? Oh, you know I'm gonna kill him. I'll kill a mouse. I'll kill a rat. I'll kill them in their house. I'll kill them with a cat. I know, I've seen the cats in this Romhack. I think they're gonna kill you. Fair enough. I just need to collect 90 bananas and not die. and it will be fine. I'm not gonna click those bananas, though. Those are what? I'm gonna collect these bananas. They're the greatest bananas. And now we know we have to be wary of that guy. Well, okay, we got hit. That's cool. We're making progress. No, wait, we were here already. Right here. Ah, that's the guy. He's the one that killed us last time. There, new personal best. We're making progress. Oh, okay. I learned you can't grab on that little piece of rope in between the two. That is just there for decoration, not for actual monkey climbing. Yeah. Fool me once, Beetle, shame on you. Fool me like 5 times, also shame on you, because I don't take responsibility for my issues. Hey, I'm a chimpanzee. You want me to take responsibility? No, thank you. Yeah, okay. So that's what's killing me is like right here, these in-between ropes, because they're used from this asset where you're supposed to just be going up and down or whatever, like, you know, like this. They're not climbable. And that's what screwed me up last time. Yep, right there. Also, I can't jump off. Because you'd think, like, you look at this and you're like, yeah, okay, you, like, grab onto the part in the middle, but no. You grab onto that part. Okay. Well, I didn't see that coming. We're 1/4 of the way through the level deck. I don't know that the K has to be placed exactly 25% through. 1/4 of the way. Good job, monkeys. Yeah, I knew that was coming, but I didn't actually have time to go down. For that matter, I was going to be like, all right, I know there's a cannon guy here, so let's drop. And I didn't even have time to what the what? I didn't have time to what the what. You heard it here first, folks. Sure, let's, you know, the very start of the level. Let's just go back there. We missed those bananas. Why would we not want to fall all the way to the start? Did you know that you were playing Getting Over It? I mean, I like this level more than the elevator one. Don't get me wrong, but I can't say that I'm happy about the way things have been going so far in this level. Shocking, I know. But I didn't sign up to play a Getting Over It level. I guess you did. Oh, I really didn't. Yes, you did. When did Getting Over It even come out? Which of these came first? Here's what I'm gonna do. Go to the lower level. Yeah. But then I can't do anything from there. All right, well, look at you, buddy. Anything over here? No, it doesn't really look like it. Anything up there? Maybe, but I can't check it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hi? I see a thing over there? I might. But it might just be a piece of broken level. How am I supposed to do this? Well, like that. Because I'm amazing, that's how. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, well, that went a lot better than I was expecting it to. That went a lot worse than I was expecting it to, so I guess it evens out to it went exactly as I expected it to. Leave for 1 minute and boom, you get a new level. Well, I've got good news and bad news for you. The good news is, hooray, we're on a new level. The bad news is, you might have to do the same thing. Because yes, we are playing, this level is definitely better designed and more fun, but one mistake and you end up at the beginning. Actually, a little curious now. DKC2. Lost levels. 2016. So, you know, maybe Getting Over It got its inspiration from this level. Like, I don't think that's how that works. Yeah, but until I hear otherwise, I'm claiming that Getting Over It, it's based on this level. Should have been called Getting Over It with LucasRangel. Your grandma beat Mario Wonder last weekend? Nice! Yes, and I mirror chat's question, well, the rest of, the other chat question of, did she enjoy it? I mean, presumably she played the whole game and beat it. I would guess she enjoyed it, but... She's like, I'm stubborn and I hate this, but I'm like... Here I'm being like, no, she hates the thing and she's just doing it out of stubbornness. I'm like, wait, that's kind of what I've been doing with all of these levels. Nah, to be fair, I did like Blood Bramble. It was hard. But like... This level... Endless Elevator... I do hate it and I'm stubborn, so I'm gonna beat it, so She's one that brought you to games because played SNES at her place when you were little. Aw, that's a nice thing to have. Yeah, like, but my granddad, I got him into Super Nintendo. And like, I remember playing Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles in time with him. I know he had his own Legend of Zelda Link to the Past save because I bought him the thing and he just liked it because it's like, kind of like puzzly and then I think he had like 2 sports games. He had one of the Madden football games and he had like PGA tournament, whatever year it was. And so even though I'm like, normally I don't play sports game, like I do have a soft spot in my heart for those old Super Nintendo sports ones because, they were the ones he did. I do kind of wish it didn't have the overlay for the wind. Just the background is a little much on my poor old eyes. But your eyes aren't that old. You're only 38. Well, still. For a level that's not super easy, it's not like the first level thing. It is a little much to look at for a long time. I think, like, either the background, if the background was moving but there wasn't the foreground overlay, or if they did the foreground overlay just a static background. Either of those would be good. But I am very thankful there's not the wind. Yet, at least, I guess. We haven't beat the level yet. I can't say that for certain, but... Stopped. First time, right. And wait, because he keeps going that way. Yeah. Just come back. Oh, So this guy, yeah, that's the one. Right there, officer. I could really use a midway save barrel. We're just gonna go slow instead. Oh, I don't know. Like, I guess, I don't think I've actually been taken out by any of these jumps, but I do not like them. They make me nervous every time. Well, no bonuses. Slow and steady. There's the O. Ah, there's a zinger out of nowhere. Stop throwing zingers. Go away, dude. Level's hard enough. Right. We have the K, we have the O. Can we have a what? I did not see that there. Okay, just bananas, but... Midway barrel. I think that's a midway barrel. I hear monkey. I do not see monkey. I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah, I mean, it definitely sounds like... I mean, if the other patient in the room didn't even know, it certainly sounds at least like it was peacefully in his sleep. I mean, it's still very sad, but at least it's... there are certainly worse ways one could end up. Not that it makes it good or okay, but... silver linings and all that. Okay, so we're going this... No Rambies. No Rambies. Where's the Rambi? Ooh, and I want what's in there. I don't know what's in there, but I want it. Well, how am I supposed to get over there now? I can't even make that jump twirling. Like, yeah, if I had a Rambi, I could dash, but where's a Rambi? Huh. Lost. I mean, I'm not lost in that I do know exactly where I am in the level, but I don't... I've been up here? Yeah, okay, that's just that part again. What does it want me to do? I do not know. Well, clearly we missed something because I don't have a Rambi, or I'm not turned into a Rambi. Well, I was about to throw it into him. No. And I'd be stuck again. Alright, well. Guess we might as well throw ourselves into that guy because we know we can't make the jump without him. Granny knows all the secrets in DKC2. Heck yeah. Yeah, and that's definitely, I think, one of the good design choices they made. Both the Donkey Kong Country games and with Yoshi's Island, that like in games where you have to explore to find stuff, that they don't give you a time limit. Oh, cool, you got your 74-year-old parents Obra Dinn, because they used to do Myst back when you were a teen. Obra Dinn is a very good game, but the Return of the Obra Dinn, I played it a while ago. I didn't stream it or anything. Yeah, definitely if you like Myst-style puzzle games, it's a very good one. I mean, if you don't like puzzle games and stuff, you're not gonna like it, but it's... Like, I don't want to give too much away. Yeah, it's... Like, you're an investigator trying to figure out what happened on this ship. And you sort of get this little... I mean, it's not a spoiler, dude. It's like the first thing you do when you start the game. It's like, you get a little time travel thing where, like, well, you'll see a dead body, and then you'll go back and, like, you'll see back in time, like, the moment they were killed. And, oh, yeah, and the art style is just very old school. But, yeah, and so it's very, like, you know, you'll see, like, the person get killed, and then so like you're trying to figure out, basically the point of the game is you're trying to figure out what happened to every single person. And so it's like, okay, this guy got, you know, killed by like like person X got killed by person Y via gunshot, and just there's a lot of deductive reasoning, and so like as you'll go, you'll see the different people, and then you have to, you know, figure stuff out, or you know, use clues from different scenes you saw, like, oh, well, I saw this guy had like boots on in this scene, so that must be who's over here at this point. And yeah, it's a very good puzzle game, very Myst-like. But so if you like puzzle games, I'd recommend it. If you don't like puzzle games, you will not like it, and I wouldn't recommend it, and that's okay. Oh, I was like, what happened there? I think because I grabbed the rope. Like, I was trying to just bounce on him to get rid of him in case I fell, but I think the moment you get to where you'd bounce on his head, you grab the rope instead, and then you touch him while you're hanging onto the rope, and so it does damage instead of bouncing on him. Okay. Dixie is sad because she knows it was a skill issue, and that was all me. I can't blame the hack for anything. There was no lag, there was no one appearing out of nowhere. It was all me the whole time. How much more of this level is there, though? Yeesh. They are going on forever now in K. Rool's Keep. I still wonder where that Rambi is. Not down there, I just wondered. Bees. 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 Beep, 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 beep. Jump. Get this guy. Not that I'd ever fall down here again, but just in case. Let's get that guy. Like, we'll get that guy. Yeah. Skip these guys. All right. No. Okay, this part, I'm not sure how to do this while keeping everyone intact. I can get that guy. I'm not sure what happened there. How many cannons? How many cannons must a monkey stare down until they can beat the rest of the level? Hey, the answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. Well, hello, Bella Meteor. How are you doing today? I wonder if I could actually... Yeah, I can hit that guy. Because I was thinking, like, all right, well, if the other one is too close to the... You know, that... If he's too close to the thing that you grab the rope, and so it hits you instead of you hitting him when you grab it. I was like, well, that dude's a lot closer to the rope. Maybe you'll hit him before you grab it, which is true. All right. Makes it a little easier. Not a lot, but it's something. Yeah, these K. Rool, like, let me tell you, when the hack started, it, you know, I've said before, earlier in the thing, it's, before I would have said, you know, this hack is no harder than the original, it just has the, like, the type of stuff it wants you to do in the original earlier. But these levels, especially at the end, they are picking up in difficulty. All right, now. I don't know that I have time to throw without getting hit there. Jump, go there. Yeah, all right. So it's a download. It is a Romhack called the Lost Levels. You can find it by, well, the way I found it eventually, because it is from 2016-ish. Yes, yeah. And it can be a little bit hard to find, but I know for sure it's actually on SMW Central, which is weird since, you know, it's not not a Mario game. But there's a link there which will take you to a site that's like DKC Atlas or something like that. I know Atlas is in the title. Because there are a lot of like dead links and stuff since it is old. But the Atlas one is the one you can find it at. And the post is all in Portuguese, I believe. Basically, because, I mean, and I'm not sure about that, but because it's like, it kind of looks like Spanish, but not exactly, so I'm guessing it's Portuguese. But that's the one you want. And then it has a link to it that you just download and you can run it. I see a cannonball underneath you, sir. Oh, that didn't work. All right, well... I don't want to lose the cannonball, but... Yeah. Where is the cannon? Like, was it down below? Did I miss it? Uh-oh. I need that! Oh, I'm surprised I made that jump. You missed the best levels. That's one way to put it. Today has been a bit of a struggle bus. I would not say a bit of a struggle bus. See, I took the struggle rocket ship straight to Struggle Central today. Oh, no cannon. I don't believe that. All right, I'm gonna take a look. Now, to be fair, you did get more cannonballs than you needed in that one bonus level, but there's still... So it could just be for killing the enemies, but... Since we haven't got a single bonus level yet, I don't know. No, I'm gonna beat it. I'm gonna beat it because then I have start select. We can always come back and get stuff later. But this way I can just quit if things go poorly. Whew. I mean, yeah, every level on K. Rool's Keep has been a struggle, but, you know, for sure. Actually, I might have Funky Kong. I can try. No, not yet. So, yeah, I can't tell you what my favorite level is in general, but definitely Blood Brambles is my favorite here. Just because it's, oh, I have no money. Uh-oh. It is very hard, but it's hard, but like there's not really jankiness or like things not working. It's just, it's hard because it's just a well-designed but hard platform level. Wait, now where can I get coins easily? I want to save it. Dramatic Tunnel's probably the best. Like, this level is fine, actually. Like, I like this, like, but man, this level is all sorts of messed up. Yeah, this level would be higher up on my esteem if it wasn't for the broken bonus level not giving me the thing. Otherwise, like, you know, the Cat of Nine Tails, like, catapulting you to the very start from the very bottom. Like, that's just funny. Take out the zinger. Just need to get the one more coin. Then, yeah, that's probably what I'll take a peek in the next level. I'll do one life. Hey, 2. I'll give it 2 because in case I die to something stupid. And then I will call it quits. First save. Sorry, dear, but you're broke. I know. All right, sneak peek into the Devil's Dungeon. That sounds like it'll be a nice, easy level. Wow, that guy is going fast. All right, so, I mean, at this, you cannot hurt him. You cannot spin into him. You cannot jump on him. Good to know. They said 2 lives because, you know, die to something stupid, or, you know, in this case, like, trying something out. So he is invincible. Good to know. Let's take a look at the rest of the Devil's Dungeon. That was me being stupid again. Hey, he's over there guarding something. What's he guarding? Nothing. There might be like a hidden life balloon or something, but nothing worth going with a single monkey down to, that's for sure. Okay. We're fine, we're fine. Ooh, might be something up there. Oh, maybe you go from over here too. The zinger and go! Not a... I thought that was gonna explode right away. Or, you know, be a bad guy, kaboom. Do I need to jump down there? I kind of want to jump down there with it. What am I playing tomorrow, or is that privileged intel? It's a secret. You'll have to come to the stream to find out, or watch it on... Oh, there's not a platform there. All right, well, then I think I'm hosed. Yeah, since I finished Doki Doki Literature Club on the Variety, I'm going to be changing gears a bit. Okay, one more life. I said it's only going to be 2 lives, but the first one doesn't count. That counts as my stupid death. This counted as there was a new enemy I had to figure out death. One more look into the Devil's Dungeon. I feel like I should play the... I mean, granted, DKC2 music is very good, but like, I just feel like I should play Devil's Lab from FF6 if I'm playing the Devil's Dungeon. All right, so use the barrel on the cutlass, which means presumably there's not a hidden I mean, granted, there's also not generally things hidden in the walls for the most. I wasn't even trying to do that. Well, whatever, I've got 2, so I can skip you. Heh. What do you think about that, buddy? I see a letter up there, but I don't know how to do it. There might be something there that you do with the TNT, but too late now. Okay, we know there's that guy at least. What the? I had a barrel in my hair? Weird, 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 weird. Uh-oh, 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 okay. Alright, well that's enough. I've died enough. I said 1 life, then I said 2, then I said 3. I'll see you back 4, 5, 12. So I'll call it there for today. Been going long enough, so thank you for everybody who came by. Said hello on stream, you know, talked. We had some good conversations. Thank you for everyone who watches this later on YouTube. Special thanks today gonna go to Wrinkly. I don't know, I don't have any special thanks, so. And yeah, again, I'll be back tomorrow with new variety and Dead by Daylight on Thursday, if that's your sort of thing. And if it isn't, that's fine. Otherwise, I'll be back next Monday for more of this. Which is, you know, it's still going fine, but it is ramping up in difficulty. And yes, you know, again, my condolences to you, Hund, and yeah, good best of everything for Wednesday, and thank you for dropping by, Bella. And fool me once, Beetle, shame on you. Fool me like 5 times, also shame on you, because I don't take responsibility for my issues.